Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Crazy Country Couponer. And I'm Jenny, the Crazy Country Couponer. Come on in, everybody. It's time to talk about this week's sparse deals. But I found you some, and you want to know. So come on in and let's talk about it. On your way in, please like and share the video. And if you're not one of our crazy friends, well, welcome. Come on in. We're going to talk earning money and getting stuff for a minimum of 50% off. And you want to know too. So come on in and you like and share the video also. And look below and hit the subscription button and that notification bell while we're here. That way you won't get too excited and forget. And that way you won't miss any of our deals, glitches, free stuff, or awesome information. Alright, everybody. Short and sweet video. Daily deal video today. Dollar General did not give us a whole lot to work with. They just fed us really good stuff for like 3 weeks, and now blah. But hopefully they'll give us something before the week is out. But in the meantime, we got something. We got something, yes we do. Because we are starting to put together our holiday baskets. I know you are. And there are those of you out there who have teenagers or you have men in your life and you're making baskets. Well, this is one of those things that can go in the basket. The Dollar Shave Club. And you're going to earn some money by purchasing it. Now, you can put this in a scenario, and it would be definitely my suggestion to do so, especially because of the price of the items. The blades, the refills are $10.50. Oh, expensive. Okay. Now we have a redeem one-time earn on that for $4.50. That is almost 50% off. So that is a good deal. And what makes it even better, when you get your money back in your spend account, you can spend it on anything you want, like food. Things we do not get coupons for. So even if the spending at Dollar General or the couponing is sparse, we got you. And of course you want to pair that with the blade and 6 blade cartridges, or excuse me, the handle and 6 blade cartridge kit. That's $10.50. Perfect gift. It's a $21 gift, guys. I mean, come on. But you're not going to pay $21 for that. Because you're going to do this on a Saturday. You're already at $21. And you're going to already be getting back $9.50. So, almost completely half price. So let's find you something to do that scenario with for Saturday. Let's pair it with some food items, guys. Because we always are needing food items, whether you live by yourself or you got people in your household. And this is a really good deal, because not only is it a sale, we have a coupon. Save $1 on any 2 General Mills Nature Valley or Fiber One or cereal treat bars, okay? So you have a variety of stuff, as well as the General Mills cereal. So you can get mix or match. Now the offer on these is 2 for $6. That's the sale. And that includes the Nature Valley cereal bars, the Fiber One bars, the General Mills bars. So 2 for $6. And then you get $1 off. So 2 for $5. So I would actually throw some food in there, okay? But if you don't want to use the food items, you could go for something like the Dawn. Or if you still have these glitching coupons right here, the free Oral-B toothbrush, the $1 off the Swab $2 dryer sheets, that would be $3 right there. You would only need $1 more. Let's see. Oh, and right here's $1 more if you didn't get your Pro Health toothpaste. So let's put the scenario real quick right here with all the glitching items, in case you do still have them, like I do on one of my accounts. Now, also, you still have the $3 instant savings going on Scott. I just wanted to give you a heads up on that. Just in case your store is not tagged, that $3 instant savings on Scott is still going on. But this dollar coupon is attaching to the $3 and, well, let's see how much it is today. $3.50 toilet tissue. So, if you are going to do this and do not want to do the full Scott deal, you could just get a 6-pack of Scott toilet tissue. And you're going to save another $1. And I would do something like that if I was going to do the deal the way I'm about to show it to you, because you don't want to be right at $25. You want to be just a smidge over. Because right at 25 is too close for a penny or something to come off as a promotion and you not get your 5 off. So let's go just a smidge over, since we have all these free items in this transaction. Now this is the math for this. You're going to pick up your razor and your refills, your Oral-B toothbrush, your Suavitel dryer sheet, your Crest Pro Health toothpaste, and your Scott 6-pack. And they're going to be at $28.50. Now you're going to get $9 off on your transaction, leaving you an out-of-pocket of $19.50. Yes, that's a little high, but not really, because it's basically like paying for your razors and your refills and getting all the other stuff for free. But then you're going to get a $9.50 earn back. And that puts your final out-of-pocket at $10 for 6 items. And that's a winner chicken dinner right there. Okay? And then you're going to take that $9.50 and you're going to roll it over on some food. Yeah. And that makes it an even better deal. And if you do this deal early enough on Saturday, by Saturday evening, your earns might be on your spend account. And if they are, you can go right back to the store and do you another 5 off 25 using your earn money. Alright guys, blessings. We'll talk again real soon, because I found just some more stuff and I'll get it to you.